Hello! In this video, I will show you how to use the availability and locking options when creating discussion topics in D2L. Before we start, I want to point out that the locking options and dates of availability are almost the exact same for both forums and discussion topics. In this video, I'll be demonstrating features in a discussion topic, but know that these features are also available in forums to govern all discussions in that forum. This video focuses on features that govern how D2L discussions work. To learn the basics of creating and organizing D2L discussions, as well as other features, see other tutorial videos in this series. Here you will see that I have a new discussion topic open. I already have my title and questions here, but what I want to focus on are these options below. You'll see right below my text box that I have 4 different options. The first is to allow anonymous posts. If I click this, neither myself or my students will be able to tell who has made or responded to threads. The author of the post will simply be named anonymous. The second option requires that a moderator, that's me as the professor, approve any student's post before it is visible to other students. The third option is to require that students create a thread before they can reply to another student's thread. This ensures that they're giving their input before reading what other students have posted or responding to another student. Next, we will come to the availability options. Topic is always visible is already chosen for us and just means that when we post it, my students will have instant access to read posts. But I can also choose to hide it. In doing so, the discussion topic will be created, but students will not see it. When I'm ready to have my students see it, I can edit the topic and change this back to visible. Or I can choose to display this discussion for a specific date range. This means that once I set my date, the discussion topic will automatically become visible on my start date, and if I want it taken down by a certain time, it can also have an end date set. These dates can also be added to my calendar on D2L. This can be found in the My Tools dropdown, but it also feeds a calendar widget on the course homepage. To learn more about the calendar, see our other videos. If we keep scrolling, we'll see that we have what are called locking options. While the availability options determine when a student can see a discussion topic or forum, the locking options determine when a student can actually create and reply to threads within the forum or discussion topic. When a discussion is locked but visible or available, students can read but cannot contribute to a discussion. To make certain any availability or locking dates are installed in the discussion, be sure to click a Save button at the bottom of the screen. The availability and locking options, if they have dates, do not have to have the same dates. These restrictions are separate to free you as the professor to let students see discussions before and or after they participate in the discussions. Also, you are not required to install availability or lock dates and can use them in any combination. For instance, you might have discussions that are available all semester, or you might have a discussion that opens 4 weeks into the semester, then remains open until the entire course closes after the end of the semester. A discussion might be open when the course opens and locks at a certain point during the semester. This is how you can use and set availability and locking options in both forums and discussion topics in the discussions area.